Let's talk about how I make $40,000 a month using no-code SaaS. Hi, my name is Fran, and on this channel we talk all about SaaS, and in this particular video I'm gonna basically divide how I'm making $40,000 every single month using no-code SaaS. So let's start with the first thing. First thing that I'm doing in order to make money with no-code SaaS is building SaaSes and selling it on marketplaces. How that even works. So we're building SaaSes for the last couple of years. We built hundreds of them, and sometimes people don't really want to think about ideas. They don't want to think about how they can build a successful SaaS, and they don't want to really risk it to build it on their own. So what we're doing is we are building SaaSes inside of my company called Softify, and then we sell it on marketplaces like acquire.com. I'm gonna put also an example how we did that with our SaaS called Dashflow, where basically we just seen the opportunity in the marketing agency market. We built a SaaS that's solving a lot of problems. We did all of that internally, meaning that we thought about the idea, we thought about branding, we built the tool, we marketed it, and then at the end of the day we listed it on acquire.com and we sold it. So right now what we're doing as well is we are trying to see the gaps in different markets and understand how we can basically figure out the idea, turn it into a no-code SaaS, and then eventually solve a big problem for that industry and sell it on the marketplace that's called acquire.com. So we can do this 2 times a month, and basically we're just selling 2 tools every single month to multiple investors, VC funds, or whoever wants to buy it. You can basically generate 20 to 30k a month just selling one or selling couple of tools every single month. And the reason why investors and VC funds are more interested in stuff like that is because we do all the hard work. We validate the idea, we build the tool, we make sure all the functionalities are working, and then at the end of the day we are marketing it and we are generating users. So when this tool is already successful, when it has like 1 to 2k in monthly recurring revenue, then we list it on acquire.com and then we sell it at, let's say, 10 to 20x multiplier. So if the tool is making $2,000 every single month, we can sell it for $20,000. And to get $2,000 in monthly recurring revenue is not even that hard. You need maybe 100 users that are going to be paying you $20 every single month to use a tool that's going to solve their problem. So we can do this once or twice a month. That's going to generate from anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 in revenue. And besides that, we are basically creating connections with investors and VC funds, and they're opening positions basically whenever we build something new to reach out to them first. So we have multiple investors being ready to buy tools whenever we build them because we have a proven track record working with them, meaning that they already bought some tools or SaaSes from us, and we validated that they're good, they made a lot of money, so they're more open to buy whenever we build something. So that's one way to basically make money with no-code SaaSes. That's one way how we're making, let's say, half of what we are doing with Softify. And then the other half is building SaaSes for our clients. We have hundreds of clients, we're building SaaSes all day, all night long, and we have people that seen what we are doing in basically our first part of what Softify, my company, does, is building tools for ourselves and then selling them. So they're like, oh, I have this amazing idea, could Softify build this? And Bubble and no-code tools actually gives us an opportunity to build whatever we want. Literally, there is nothing we can't build. And the reason why people choose to go with us is because we can build those tools for a fraction of a price, really affordable, really fast, and at the end of the day the quality is gonna be impeccable. People genuinely love to use our tools because we know how to build them, we know how to work with investors, and when it comes down to everything, not only that we help our clients to build amazing apps, we help them at the end of the day also to scale them, to launch them, and eventually exit from those tools that they decided to build with us. So from that part also, I would say that we generate anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 in revenue because we have people building SaaSes with us, then basically leaving the partnerships, or we have people that basically just build it out and they go separate ways, they decide to do marketing themselves. So the fluctuation of clients always goes basically from 1 to 5, basically softwares every single week, so it fluctuates a lot. The most important thing for us is that we have every client really successful, we have every client really happy, so we are open for people going and basically leaving and building SaaSes with us. So basically those are the two ways I'm generating revenue with No-Code SaaS. First is building it internally with my team for ourselves and then selling it on acquire.com. And the second is building the same exact tools for clients and helping them out to launch it, helping them out to scale it, and at the end of the day, helping them out to exit it. And if you're looking basically for someone watching this video that can help you do the same exact thing, and you have an amazing no-code idea and you're looking to explore options, how to get it built affordably, fast, and at the end of the day at the highest quality, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the video description where you can book a call directly with me and you can discuss how we can do one or two things for you in order to turn your idea into a reality. Or if you're looking to acquire one of the SaaSes that we have on the marketplace right now, we can discuss that as well. The opportunity that no-code technology gave us is something that I haven't seen in this market for a long period of time, and trust me, I'm in this market for a really long time. Therefore, a lot of opportunities are coming not only our way, but it's coming to you as a viewer and someone that's just passionate about multiplying your money, just passionate about building something that can help your community and help your market. You are on the right place because we understand all the aspects and we are always looking for new projects that we can build and new ideas that we can turn into a reality. So if this was helpful and if you're really looking into basically turning your no-code idea into a reality, you can click on the link below, book a call directly with me where we can discuss everything that you have in mind and to build basically your SaaS affordably for a fraction of a market price, and the most importantly, it's going to be fast and it's going to be high quality. And that's it for this video. That's the way how we basically make money with no code. If you like the video, press like, subscribe. It's going to really help us to basically bring more value like this and to open up a little bit more about SaaS industry and no code specifically, and how great this technology is and how we are leveraging it not only to make money for ourselves but to make money to our viewers and our clients. Basically, if you have any question, you can leave it in a comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer and discuss it with you about it. You can click somewhere on the screen, there's gonna be another video here, and that's basically it for this one. See you in the next video.